When we're busy and only go after work or after school, we don't always pick up the best foods to eat.
A new study shows eating higher amounts of ultra-processed food raises the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and cancer.
Dr. Shikha Jain joining us with UI Health to break it all down for us. Dr. Jain, this is no surprise, right? I mean, we've been hearing this for years. So what do you want to say about this latest study?
Well, I think that it's really important to remember that we've known for a long time that very high processed foods can put you at increase for things like colon cancer. But this is just another piece of data that shows us that this type of high ultra processed food can put you at risk for other things along with cancer, like diabetes, dementia, heart disease. So we need to really make sure we're eating a balanced diet and be thinking about the foods we're putting in our mouth and whether they have a lot of artificial dyes or artificial sweeteners, non-meat products or non-animal products are better for you. So thinking about those fresh fruits and vegetables and trying to add those into your balanced diet.
Now, they aren't always so obvious, these ultra-processed foods. So what are some of the foods that people might not even know are ultra-processed?
So animal products can definitely be ultra processed. Some breads can be very, very highly processed. So look at the ingredients. Cereals, so there's a difference between the different type of brand cereal. So you can look at two different boxes and they'll be totally different despite the fact being very comparable types of food. Candies, anything that has artificial sweeteners on it. I highly recommend you look at the ingredients when you go and buy foods, especially frozen foods. So those really easy to use meals that you can just throw in the microwave when you're busy at home, those can be very highly processed. So think about anything that's pre-prepared and look at the ingredients on the label.
Yeah, I feel like those labels have been changing so much so they can try to let you in on things, but then also they kind of make it seem like it's healthy, but maybe not. Do you have advice for people who have been eating these foods already? Like, what should you do?
You don't need to cut them out completely. So I would say don't go cold turkey and get rid of all of the foods. I would say try to substitute in some more fresh fruits and vegetables if you can. Start looking at those food labels and see if you can find healthier options. I found food prepping can actually be really helpful for me as a working mom. So if you're trying to grab something on the go in the morning, make a smoothie the night before as opposed to, grabbing one of those pre-prepared sandwiches that might be thrown in the microwave. So try to prepare ahead of time when you're thinking about your food and do food prepping, but really try to incorporate in more of those fresh fruits and vegetables and look at labels when you're deciding what to eat. But again, you don't need to cut them out altogether, just in moderation.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Jain. We appreciate it.
Thanks so much, and have a great holiday week coming up, and hopefully you make some healthy food choices as we move into the holidays.
You as well, Dr. Jain. Good to see you.